Hello guys, good morning. Nandito kami sa New Orleans. Ito kami sa church sa St. Joseph Pray for Us Church in the New Orleans. Ito yung mga kasama kong celebrity guys. Iba-ibang lahi ito guys. Ayun. 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 Meron pang ano doon guys. Oh. Yan, ito yung St. Joseph Pray for Us Church in New Orleans. Yan guys. Mabuhay. Kayo tatlo ba there? Picture kayo, picture. Parang ano lang ba? Pumunta lang ng ano? Ng mall. Yun guys, kasi Sunday ngayon guys, kailangan mayroon tayong panahon sa ating Panginoon kasi binigyan tayo ng buhay, extension ng life. Ngayon nandito kami para nagsisimba. Okay guys, welcome. Yan lang pa rin. Hello sir, good morning. Yeah, it's okay you make a video?
Yeah.
Okay, because we sent to our family in the Philippines. Hello, morning. Yan, Americana guys. Morning. St. Joseph Church. Okay, yan guys. Yes, welcome. Gandang church dito guys. Parang matagal na din. Ito nakagandahan guys kasi yung bawat ano nila upuan may mga Bible. I-suggest ko yan guys pag uwi.